All right. Does anybody have any questions about the preparation?
I don't.
I don't either. Are we supposed to go over the second part of the preparation?
Come again.
All right, sorry, everybody froze for a second.
Am I still frozen?
No, you're good. It was just weird.
It was weird.
Okay. No questions? We're starting on the homework?
No questions yet. Mas.
So we're starting on the quiz.
Okay.
Sorry, what was that?
We're starting on the quiz, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Exactly.
Number 3 then. Isn't it 1? I don't.
Yeah, it's 1.
4 is false.
Yeah, 4 is false. And I got that question 5 is true.
Yes.
Is question 6 C?
Yeah, I think that one's C.
Okay, we'll go with that. Do you want to? I don't really understand it. But
So what I understood from the reading is those 2 red lines are your z-scores.
oh, so it's not pointing at the negative one, so that's why you're saying it's C.
Yeah, well, that and the only line that's the only option that's pointing to like that number, how it's pointing to 1.
Yeah.
Like A is not pointing to the number and B is outside the number, but C is like right on the number. So I think that's the one that's representing the z-score.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I understood too, I think.
Then the next one's B.
Yeah.
Is it 68?
Let me see. Non-standard deviation. Yeah. So you have to do 0.68.
It says write your answer as a percentage such as 42 rather than a proportion such as 0.42.
I read it.
68.
So for that one, is it 32% or 0.332?
3, 2,
Well,
3.
0.317.
You know if this one's referring to the picture that's above it? Oh no, next 2 questions, never mind.
Yeah, so it's
Oh, I think it's gonna be 688.
it's 0.683, right?
Yeah, 0.683.
How did you guys get that?
It's in the reading in the lesson 5.
Oh, you guys are using the applet?
Yeah.
So
So
what did you put as your z-scores? Was it -1 and 1?
yeah, so that's already there. So I just made the middle section highlighted rather than the ends.
Oh, I see. Okay, yeah. So it's 0.6827?
Yeah, 0.683.
Got it.
So do you have to change these down there?
I got point.
Hello? Hello? Phew. Hello?
Hi.
No?
Yeah, are we on question 10?
Yes.
Okay.
Was it 0.955?
Yeah, that's
Five. I'm 5'5".
Did you get that, Jennifer?
Yeah.
So 11 is 0.997.
Yep.
Did you get that?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think it's A, or the first one for that one.
That's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Vale. Ok, fair question. Okay, so is it the first option? The value matches the 689599.7% rule.
Yes.
Okay.
Does anybody know how to start this one? I'm just kind of.
Um,
Oh, so this is that equation that we got in. So it's the. So you do the average minus the population mean, or the.
so we're just figuring out the z-score? Is that what we're doing on this one?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. So,
Okay.
0.6. I got negative 0.714.
Me too.
What question is that?
13.
And what's the answer again?
Negative 0.7.
714.
714
Mm-hmm.
point. Okay.
But it's a negative, so make sure you put the symbol in there.
But are we finding the z-score? Because it says population have a protein requirement that is less.
Oh, maybe not.
I don't know. Maybe it is. Because the next one's the same thing, but it's more.
Yeah. Do you want to skip that one and come back to it?
Yeah, that's fine. Okay. So 16 then?
Yeah.
Okay. We didn't do these problems in our homework.
No, we didn't. For question 16, I got 1.428. I don't know if that's right, though.
How'd you do that?
So, let's see, what did I do? So I took the z-score of the 60 and the z-score, or sorry, of 0.60, and then the z-score of 0.70. And then you subtract the smaller number by the larger number, and then get that value, but write it as a positive.
What was that answer again?
1.428.
Wait, for the z-score for like one of them, you did for the 60, you did 0.60 minus 0.65, and then you divided it by 0.07.
Yes. Yeah, so you take the value, which is 0.60, and then minus the mean, which is 0.65, and then you divide the number that you get from those two by 0.07.
So I just got the same thing, but it was plus and minus. So I got negative 0.714 for 60, and for 70 I got 0.714.
Yeah, that's what I got too. But on 16, the last step, let's see, it says so it says subtract the small area from the larger area. Make sure your answer is positive.
So
So then it would be negative 0.714 minus 0.714. Oh wait, I think I did that wrong. Hold on. Let's see. No, I still got 1.428.
yeah, so did I. Well, 429. Oh, is it 429 or 428? I didn't carry all the same numbers over, so.
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know how we're supposed to write that in. I want to say that we're not supposed to round it because technically we could round it to 1.430.
Well, it'd be if you're rounding it to more accurate to 3 decimal places. Well, I guess you do 428 then. I don't know.
Okay.
For the questions we skipped, the equations were in the video, which were in our homework. But I can't
Okay.
remember what the equation.
So for those questions up there, so I got I don't know if the answers are right, but I went through and I just did that applet that we have,
Yeah.
and I put in, so like for 13, I did my z-scores 0.6, and then I just highlighted the two areas that were below 0.6. I don't know if that makes sense. So like the z-score I put as 0.60. And then the first, then I just highlighted the two sections to the left, and I put that number in as the answer.
So you put the z-score in as what?
0.60 for 13.
So then you got 0.7257.
Yeah, or 0.726, rounded up to 3 places. But yeah,
Okay.
'cause that would be all of them that are below 0.6.
Yeah, you're right.
And then the next one I did basically that number, subtract that, which is just 0.274. And then 15, I just moved it out to 0.7 and did the same thing.
So 13 was 0.726, right?
Yeah.
14 is more. So then it's 0.274.
Mm-hmm.
15.
Sorry, can you repeat 14 and 15 again?
14, I got 0.274.
0.274.
And 15.758. We'll see if that's right. If not, we can redo it.
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
So for that one, you just subtract the larger number from the smaller number, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Or no, subtract the smaller from the larger.
So it's the negative number minus the positive number.
Okay.
And sorry, again, 15 is 0.758?
Yes.
Okay.
And the answer for 16 was 1.428, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
'35th percentile. What do you do with that?
Okay. So 35th percentile, I got 0.385. I think this is the type of question where you have to do algebra in.
So what'd you do?
So I put 0.35 into the applet as the area. So area will say 0.35. And then you hit enter, and then I got a score of 0.35. And then you're trying to find the value in the z-score equation.
So you got the z-score as 0.385, right?
Yeah.
Then you use the okay, that makes sense.
So what was the answer for 17 again?
I'm still trying to work it out.
1 second.
Wow.
I got 0.65.
0.65. So the same as the mean?
Yeah, wait.
That's weird.
I know how to do algebra, right? I think so.
Let's see.
Oh, you know what I know what I did. Okay.
I got 0.67695.
1 second. What'd you get?
I got 0.67695,
Not what I
but I
got.
think, is that not what you got?
No. I'm probably doing it wrong, but I got 1.035.
Okay. Maybe I'm doing it wrong.
Well, this is, let's see if you can see this. Can you even see that?
Oh, let me see really quick.
Is it backwards?
Let me see. Okay. That looks right. So you took the 0.07 and you,
I multiplied it on both sides.
so then it should be 0.02695 equals x minus 0.65.
Well, you have to times the 0.07 times the x too, right? So it equals 0.07x minus 0.0455. I don't know.
No, I think that because the 0.07, if you're multiplying it, then both the 0.07 that's dividing and the 0.07 that's multiplying just cross each other out.
That makes sense.
Or what we can do, we could all watch the video, the preparation video, because he goes over it, like how to do it the last couple of minutes of that video. But then again, he doesn't really go over the algebra very well. He just says, do the algebra, and this should be the number.
Was that the part 2 or part 1?
I think it's part 1. Let me check really quick.
Gotta be a way to do this in Excel.
I know. You figured out a way, or there's got to be a way?
There's gotta be a way because they put Excel instructions in the reading. And that template that we used the other day has the first percentile all the way down to the 99th percentile. It's just figuring out what data to put in to give you those percentiles.
Okay.
Like what would you like? I put in 0.6 and 0.7 as the two, but I'm sure that's not right at all. And for the 35th percentile, it gave me 1.62, but I don't know what data I'm supposed to put in the blue box.
Okay.
Because in the example that it gives, it just puts in all those batting averages, which they had in the reading, which was easy. You just copy and paste all of those. But we don't really have a lot of data.
Yeah. If you go to the lesson 5, like textbook on the
It
wiki,
shows the algebra.
yeah, it shows the algebra.
Okay, that sounds.
Okay.
So you were right, and you don't times it.
Okay, so let me just try to do it over again to make sure I did it right. You never know.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I got 0.67695 again.
Okay, I'm just about done. 0.65. Point 677.
Yeah.
Okay.
0.677.
Okay. I think we should go with that.
You think we should go back?
Go with that.
I'll go with that. Okay.
Last question.
So basically just like question 17.
Okay. Point 667. Oh my gosh, I told it.
I got 0.70894.
What was your z-score?
My z-score was 0.842.
Wait, what? For some reason I'm getting 1.282.
Oh, as your z-score or the whole score?
The z-score. So whenever you do the z-score, what are you highlighting? So you put in the area 0.8.
Yeah.
You're,
Oh, maybe I did that wrong. Okay. Hold on, let me go back and read the question. 8% top of the protein decimal places. Okay, so you go to the area and you put 0.80, then you just hit enter. Wait, hold on.
oh my gosh. What? This is...
Okay, my computer's like not working. Hold on. Yeah, so I just put in, let's see, 0.800, and then it's the middle's highlighted and the left side is highlighted, and it gives me 0.842.
Wait, which sides are highlighted? Sorry, you cut off.
The middle and the wall.
The middle and the left, you said?
Mm-hmm.
Why did you do those two?
When I put in the 0.80, it just highlighted it for me.
When everything's blank and I put it in, nothing gets highlighted.
Oh no.
Oh,
Okay.
wait. 0.842?
Yeah, 0.842.
So you got 0.709?
Yeah, 0.709.
Alright, let's see how we did. $75%.
Uh-oh. How many did we get wrong?
You got 5.
Ah!
So the last one we were right, but not the one before that, which doesn't really make sense.
That's kind of
Okay, so
weird.
I'm gonna write down.
I'm guessing that maybe we weren't supposed to round. I don't know. For question 17, did you put in 0.677?
Yeah.
Okay. Huh, that's weird. Maybe we're just supposed to round to 0.680. Or maybe we're supposed to leave it at 0.676. I don't know.
So I got number 13 wrong.
Number 13.
And 14, 15, and 16.
Okay. 13, 14, 15. And we got 17 wrong?
And 17, yeah.
And 17, okay. So all that we got wrong. Do you want to go back and try to figure it out, or do you want to just kind of figure out later?
It's up to you guys. I'm going to do it right now, but if you guys don't want to stay on, you don't have to.
No, I kind of want to figure it out.
Because it's that, so in the homework, that part 2,
Mm-hmm.
it's those equations, but I can't remember how I did that. You use the mean and the standard deviation. I'm pretty sure.
Was it on the homework or the preparation?
The preparation, sorry.
Okay. Let me pull that up. It was on 6 and 7. Is that right?
Because it's asking what proportion of the people who take the quantitative portion will have a score above 165. So it's like the same question. I just don't remember how I did it. I'm going to go on mute to listen to the video.
Okay.
Okay, so it's pretty easy actually. So all you do is you find the z-score of that question. Yeah, so you find the z-score for that 0.60, and then you just plug that z-score into the applet, and you shade the region that you want. So that first question is less than, so you shade the less than side. and the area is your answer.
Okay. For 13, I got 0.2376.
.2376, you said?
Yeah, 0.2376 in the area.
Okay. I have to restart my quiz. So we do round or we don't round?
I don't know. I give your answer as a decimal, accurate to 3 decimal places. So 0.237 maybe?
Do you want to submit your quiz after we do this? Have you submitted it yet?
I haven't submitted it yet, no.
Will you submit it so I don't get all these questions wrong if we're rounding it wrong?
Yeah.
What'd you guys get for that one?
0.2376.
How'd you
Does that
get?
make sense? So the next one is the same thing. Right?
Let me read the question.
It's just more than less.
So it would be, so you would just portion everything above this, the 60, right?
Yeah, so it's just the upper half instead of the bottom half. The bottom. So it's the same answer.
I got a different answer.
We
Oh wait,
just have the right side.
I shaded the middle and the right side.
0.6 is the whole right side because the middle is below 0.6.
Okay.
Right? Does that make sense? Because 0.6 is that red line on both sides. Wait, whoa. No, so the first one is actually 0.7624. Is that what you said for the first one?
No.
Yeah, I got 0.762.
624.
Okay.
That's because I was doing wrong. So everything below 0.6 is the two left. So it's the middle and the left side. And above it is just the right side.
And that means 14 should be 0.237.
Yes.
Alright.
Are you rounding it, Ben?
No, I'm just going 3 decimal places.
Okay. What proportion of the
Because the answer says accurately to 3 decimal places, so I'm not going to round if it's asking for accurate.
Okay.
So then 15 would be average is 0.65.
How is it the same z-score?
I don't know.
But it's positive.
Yeah, I don't know. That's really strange.
It's going to be the same because it's the same distance from the mean.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
So like your mean is 0.65. Your first one's 0.60, which is 0.05 away, and your other one's the other way. It's just negative instead of positive.
So then it's 0.76. Wait, whoa.
It should be the same, 0.762.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Because it would be your same.
Okay, so we got question 16, round 2. So we put 0.677. What did we put in this one again?
0.676. Or no, I think we did put it in as 0.677, but I changed it back to 0.676 because I can't figure out what might have gone wrong. But I'm going to redo it just in case, just to see if I get like a completely different answer.
So you subtract the smaller area from the larger area. So it's 0.237. Well, it's the same area. What?
Hmm.
Can our answer be 0?
I don't know.
That's what it is according to, because it's saying to shade the left side of the z-score, of each z-score. And the z-scores are the same. So the left side of it will be the same.
Yeah. Oh, okay, let's see. What did we get?
I think it's a trick question.
I think so too. So what did you put in for the area in the applet?
You don't do the area, you only do the z-score.
Oh, okay, yeah, you're right.
And then you only shade the left side of what it says.
What did you put in for the z-score?
0.714.
Yeah, I just keep getting the same answer too, so I don't know.
Well, I'm just going to put 0. I don't really care for this question.
Okay.
It doesn't make sense to me.
Okay, let's see.
And 17 got wrong. How did we... Well, what did we put for 18? I didn't write it down.
For 18?
Yeah.
Point seven. I'm sorry, 0.709. And then what were we gonna put for 17? I can't remember.
Well, 17...
Man.
So what did we put in there?
I can't remember. I think we put 0.677, but it might just be 0.676.
I think it's 0.676.
Do you want me to submit mine first?
Yeah.
Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, We got for 5 wrong.
Again?
Actually, I think I put the wrong number in for 9. What did you guys put in for 9?
9 was 0.683.
Okay, that's how I got that one wrong, but
We got all the same questions wrong again.
yeah. Yep, we did. Question 13, 14. We got 15 right. Question 16 and question 17. We all got wrong again.
We got 15 right.
We did get 15 right, yeah.
What the freak?
I don't know. Let's see.
So you put in the 0.762 for 13? I don't know if it's still there.
For 13, I put 0.762, yeah.
Maybe it's 0.237. I don't. 7. Okay. There's something like
Ben, have you submitted yours yet?
I have submitted one.
Okay.
Actually, I just submitted it. So switch 13 and 14's answers. Those are the right answers. I don't know how. 13 is 0.237, 14 is 0.762.
that makes no sense.
No, it
I
doesn't.
know.
So I just switched them and I just submitted it and it said those two are right now.
You think it's because the z-score for the 0.6 is a negative 0.7?
It might be, actually. That might be why it's that, because it's negative, which would then change the answer to 16 to something different, too.
Yeah.
Okay.
I bet that's what it is. It's stupid. Oh my gosh.
I need to write down all my answers. I'll figure it out.
So 14 and 15 are both 0.762?
Yeah.
What? I'm so confused.
It's because of the z-score, I'm almost positive. But it doesn't make sense because it's asking what is less than 0.7.
Yeah.
And what is, I don't, whatever. I don't know. So then, do we do the 0.762 minus the 0.237 for 17 or 16?
Let's see.
Jay, you take the smaller from the larger, right?
Okay.
So you would subtract.
Smaller area from the larger area.
Okay, yeah.
So that's
7 minus 0.762. So that'd be negative 5.25.
wait. Okay, when it says that, I feel really dumb. But so you do the bigger number minus the smaller number.
This has to do with smaller.
Larger area. So yeah, wouldn't it be to 0.237 subtract 7.62.
That's what I did, yeah.
379 minus 0.762. So 0.5245.
I mean, it's the same number, whichever way you flip it. One's just negative and one's not.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. 0.5.
So what was it? 0.5 what?
0.524.
All right.
I got 5.25.
Wait, what?
I got, let's see, so it's 0.237 minus.
I did 0.2379. I just did all four. To get the most accurate answer. But that could be. Oh, never mind. Wait. Yeah, 0.524 is what I got. What are you going to put? 524, 525?
I'm going to wait to do my quiz, the second quiz. I think I'm going to go get some tutoring and then do it.
Okay, let's see. Hey, Ben, what did you put for 17? Did you get that right when you submitted it?
No, that one was still wrong. But with 16 and 17 wrong, it was up to 90%.
Okay, let me find this one.
So if you guys are going to make fine with the 90. You guys got 0.524 or 0.525?
I got 525, but you get 525 if you use to the 4 decimal places in the applet, and you get 525 if you only use the numbers you rounded in the quiz, or you used in the quiz.
Okay.
So I don't know what's the better way to go. But I did 524.
Yeah, I still have no clue about question 17. I keep getting that same answer.
Okay.
I haven't had algebra in a long time.
Okay, so we only missed one. We missed number 17.
Did you just submit it?
Yeah.
Okay, so what was 16?
16 is 0.524. So you do have to use all.
So 0.524.
Yes.
That's weird. Okay. And 17, what did you put that as?
0.676.
Okay.
I bet I don't really know what we're doing now, but it's probably something to do with the applet that we're not doing right. I don't know.
Probably, yeah. I don't know. What was your score?
95.
That's not bad. Okay.
Here we go.
So
What?
13 was 2.37 or 0.237,
13 is 0.237.
and then 14 and 15 are 0.762,
Yep.
and then 16 was 0.524,
Mm-hmm.
and 17 we don't know.
I'm
Okay.
actually going to get an answer for 17, or whichever, or is it 17?
Yeah.
Let me see here.
What'd you say?
I'm trying to figure out the answer. See if I can get an answer real quick for that. But I don't know algebra very well, so I'm just kind of going off of what was in the applet. What did you guys get for it originally?
0.676.
Yeah.
Or 0.77.
That's what I got.
We tried 0.677, then we tried 0.676, and they're both not right.
Yeah, that's what I got.
That's so weird.
So we did the same exact thing for question 18.
Yeah.
So that's what I don't know.
Sorry, for what question?
We did the same thing for question 18. It's the same exact
Oh, yeah.
question.
Yeah, it's got to be something with rounding. I don't know. I can always write her an email. Maybe it's wrong or something like that in the answer key or something.
Yeah, I don't get it.
All right.
Well, I don't know what else to do. That's the same answer I got, so.
Yeah. All right. Well, if you email her, let us know what she says.
Okay. Yeah, if I get her an answer or if she gets back, let me know. I'll definitely let you guys know.
Okay.
All right.
Good.
And then I'll
See you.
post the video.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Jennifer.
Yeah. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Yeah.